If you want a super fast handgun, you don't need to spend staccato money on a handgun. You don't need to buy a 2011. This is a Tanfoglio. This is imported by EAA. This is the Witness Match. Single action only. Made in Italy. Import mark is CI, which shows it's made in 2012. Adjustable rear sight, fiber optic front sight. The ambi safety was added. These guns are crazy fast, crazy smooth, amazing trigger pulls. £3, 9mm, crazy fast gun, crazy trigger reset, crazy smooth. You want to shoot fast? Don't spend staccato money. Buy something like this. However, everyone should buy a 2011. These guns are super fast and super reliable. More reliable than a 2011, that's for sure. Not too bad.